In any manufacturing facility, safety is of the utmost importance, and one of the biggest concerns is the potential for collisions caused by misoperation of engineering vehicles such as forklifts and trucks. That's why we've developed this U-shaped anti-collision barrier. It's designed to solve the problem of factory facility protection from these types of accidents. Made from high-carbon steel, this barrier has sufficient impact resistance and bending resistance, and the bold standard yellow and black color scheme provides a visual alert to operators of the presence of the barrier. The ground pile holes are reserved, and the full welding process ensures that the ground piles and guardrails have sufficient fixing strength. Ground piles can be driven to improve the firmness of the guardrail, even if the work vehicles in the factory operate incorrectly. This barrier will ensure sufficient safety of the factory facilities. It's an essential guardrail project for any manufacturing facility. So, keep your factory safe and contact us today to learn more about this U-shaped anti-collision barrier.